Hi guys, it's Maaike. Today I'm back for Carlijn Design in English. There's also Dutch version if you prefer. This is the card I made and I wanted to show you how I did it. Last week I made one with a bread, but you always need an extra layer if you want it to be invisible. So I've used a circle and nesting circle set. And I've used the hoera gefeliciteerd cirkelwoorden. But you can use any circular shape that you have, of course. And to make it turn, I have cut out the middle with a smaller size of the nesting dies. And I also cut a lid and two little frame like things that will be like my bearings. They will help to elevate this panel, we say that, and make it turn easier. To make the axle, I mark it with a pencil where I need to put foam tape, and I started with one layer, but then I thought, no, I need two. So I just really small little bit. You don't need much. And I'm just trying here to see about how much. It's guesswork mostly. And if you take off both sides of the tape, it will be easier to shape it around. But then I thought, no, I want two layers. Wait. And go back. And if you happen to have those foam dots that are already the right size, those would be great, I guess. I do not have those, so I make it like I would do with a shaker card. In fact, if you make this center bigger, you could make a shaker card out of this panel instead of interactive card, I guess. But for now we'll do this one. And you can of course adjust it to any of the shapes that you have. And round is best because then there's no top or bottom. Square, yeah, maybe. But if you do like a heart shape or something like that, then you turn it upside down and it looks a little bit strange, I guess. And here I started with my powder tool. I made that, and it's a bit dusty and hairy. So I switched to the powder that goes into the little bowl. And there's also hair. There's life with cats. I love them, but yeah. But you need to remove the stick, of course, from the tape. Otherwise, your shape will stick. And yes, try to die cut this middle as precise as possible. I didn't. I think I'm off 1 millimeter. When you turn it, you can see it goes bumpy up and down, but no, it's fine. And you could make this into a gear if you use the robot that I'm using, which is actually a Digi from Etsy. A gear on the back will be really cool, I think, as well. And then we make it metally colored. This is interacties, which says turn, but of course you might have something similar in your own language. And I think this is the one stamp from the set that I use the most. Yeah. Yeah. And this is pretty much the interactive element done. Yeah. So when I realized these antennas were gone, so I thought maybe I should try a different shape. And these are some of the pre-colored images that I have there. I do sometimes when I watch TV. But I thought it needed to be masculine because of the black, and you can of course change it in any color. There's a lady robot here from the same series. But yeah, I wanted a guy. He's funny. So I just went with small antennas, and because it's a Digi, I cannot stamp it again like you would do, with rubber or clear stamps. And here's the coloring, so I will turn on the music now and leave you to enjoy it. After I colored, I just put the text from Elegante Verjaardag with Versamagic Onyx. No, sorry, Clear ink. I have to get used to that. And then I used double-sided tape to stick him onto the part. So thank you for watching. I will see you again very soon. Bye.